Are you stressed out about money?
Am I stressed about money?
Are you stressed about money? Because our system can change your life.
Yeah, I
It
mean,
can.
pretty much everyone I know is like stressed about money, or they don't feel like they have enough. They might not have enough to retire on. They might want to be an expat. They can't really do it. Um, Kids can't go to school. I mean, yeah, I think a lot of
Some real
people,
stress.
some real
You
stress.
could say goodbye to your financial stress with our proven system. You get your free blueprint at wealthyatlast.com. And the proven system is over 11,000 positive testimonials. People who have plugged into the system and within days are seeing their initial enrollment paid back. There's no monthly fees. This is
Mm-mm,
not MLM. This is
mm-mm.
so easy. You're going to want to get your free blueprint to making 10K in 30 days.
Yeah, I mean, who doesn't want that? So again, no stress, no salesy crap. Just go check out right here, right now, wealthyatlast.com. And you'll get that blueprint. And as always, we either give you a tip or an affirmation. Thing one, I am attracting unlimited wealth into my life. I am attracting unlimited wealth into my life. It made me smile.
That was a good one.
Yeah. What's thing two?
Thing two says, I am financially free and live a life of abundance. Yeah, let that sink in and really say these to yourselves, and subscribe and follow and like our channels because we have a lot of good stuff to share with you about what you think about, you bring about. And that's about financial flowing into your life.
Yeah, it's time. See you tomorrow. Bye.